Hey, everyone, it's your boy Harland. But today, many people are looking at this. You're like, oh, what's with all the food, Harland? Well, many people don't know this, but I'm actually a master chef. Yeah, it's true. And you don't have to listen to what all those other dudes tell you, bruh. Because you don't need like a stove, or fancy knives, or fancy pans, fancy spoons, and more fancy spoons to be a master chef. You just gotta have cool stuff like this, you know? Alright, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make the most epic sandwich, all food groups. I make it all the time, probably classic. You make this, you're gonna be big and buff like me. Look at that muscle. Oh yeah, it's pretty big, right? Hell yeah. Alright, first what we're gonna do, we're gonna get the bread, okay? And some of you might be thinking, hey Harland, why aren't you using your other hand? Well, last week I lost my other arm in a tragic, very tragic incident outside the Walgreens, inside of a red box. I was trying to get Meg to the trench, trying to reach in there and grab it. Here's the bread. We're gonna put it on our plate here. Yeah, spread it out. You know, like a sandwich. I call that a little test nibble. Make sure it's good bread. And then we're gonna grab our jelly here. Hey, Roman, that's the bread again, dumbass. There we go, there's the jelly. Okay, we're just gonna pop that bad boy open. And huh, seems to be one of those little seal things on there. Cool. Anyway, many people are often ask me, Harland, how do you get so many chicks? Cause you know me. But see, I saw on a nature documentary somewhere that birds throw mud at women to get them, you know, throw mud at the chick. I was like, whoa, birds are like nature. So that means it must work for everyone. So whenever I see a pretty lady, I grab a clump of mud and I throw it at them. It works every time, except for one time where I grabbed what at the time I thought was mud. And for people that don't believe in evolution, let's just say I went from bird to monkey real quick. Like, seriously fast. Squeezing jelly, squeezing jelly. Squeezing jelly on my bread. Squeezing jelly on the bread. Ah. Alright, that's probably good enough. Put that right there. Click, 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 click. Now, many people probably already seen this Pringles can here. And let me just tell you. See, sweet. Now you put a little salty on there. And also this has like potatoes and shit on it. So, extra healthy calories. Ah! Pop this bad boy open. Pop it open like a can of fruit. Okay, and then you reach in there. Gotta grab some chips. Take them. And you just crush them up. Like crackers. With tuna casserole. No. Just grab that one right there. Yummy, yummy. I can already taste the deliciousness. Alright. Now, you may be asking yourself, what's another thing on the little plate thing they gave me in elementary school? And that's called protein. And that's why I have these granola bars here. See, you take these on there, you lay them down on the sandwich. We're gonna put them on this side because it's cool. See, you stack it like a little pyramid. Oh, hey-oh. And now, we need some dairy. And that's why I got this, Bluey Go-Gurt. Now, it doesn't matter what kind of Go-Gurt you use. Maybe it has, like, SpongeBob or something on it. I personally like this one. I don't know much about this Bluey guy, but he's a dog, and he's blue. And I dig that. It's pretty cool. Alright, we're just gonna open this bad boy. Arr. You know, I think this might not work out too well. We're just gonna... Ta-da! See that, ladies? Alright, okay, just gonna sprinkle some of that on there. Oh, good. Not gonna use all of it, save some of it for later, you know? We're gonna take this. Just gonna mush it down. Mush it down, mushy mushy. Now if you did it right, now you have all of your meals. You can eat this, you don't have to eat for like another week after. You have all the nutrients you need right here. Granola down. Pretty good. Pretty good. Hell yeah, brother. Now, for you fellas out here, here's a little secret. All chicks like dudes that can cook. Hit them with this bad boy. You're good for life. Now that's another Harland tip. So join us next time on the new episode of Harland Does Shit. Yeah.